Hey, welcome back to the neighborhood, guys. What's going on? Today we're going to do something different. Hannah is the mystery lady in the family. Don't everybody wants to know what Hannah thinks. What does Hannah do? What does Hannah this? Well, today here's Hannah, and we're going to figure out what.
Who knows me better? So,
And a disclaimer: there are 2-year-olds under the table and making
All
noise.
over the place.
So,
They're everywhere.
yeah, it's not rats.
here.
So what are we gonna do with these?
So, I am going to say a question and then you're going to write down the questions on.
The questions.
No, I'm going to give the questions and then you're going to write down your answer on the paper. And then I will count down 3 seconds and then you will show your answers at the same time. And you will get 1 point for each correct answer.
Okay, so who's gonna keep score?
Me.
Where's your pen?
I'll keep it to my head.
Okay.
All right.
We always play. We can always play back the video to see the score.
First question.
So we get 1 point for
Yes.
for that.
Each correct answer.
Okay.
First question. What is my shoe size?
Sure, you want everybody to know this?
Yeah, sure.
Where's the 3, 2, 1? How are we going to know?
I'll say it when you just tell me when you're finished.
Finish.
I'm not finished as this.
Listen, this can't go on forever. We need a.
I'll wait until you're both finish your answers and then
Alright,
you turn
I'm
to
done, I'm done, I'm done,
Okay,
I'm done.
show your answers in 3, 2, 1. 10, 11, 12.
Mommy wins.
Oh, alright, fine.
So, mommy on 1 point.
She didn't get those shoe size from my side of the family.
What am I?
Objection!
You ready? From your side of the family.
Ready. That's how you go?
No. You ready?
Yes.
What is my favorite holiday?
Favorite holiday?
Yes. No, wait.
What?
I don't meant favorite holiday, sorry. Favorite season, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Favorite season.
Favorite season?
Yes, season.
Okay.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Why are you still writing? What is that?
Walkers would jerk season.
What?
I said season, not seasoning. No. Summer.
You doesn't have no sense though. Summer.
Summer is right? Everybody loves summer still.
So am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, 2-0.
2 points.
Okay.
Next question.
Right.
Something ready.
Would I rather live in a small town, a large city, or the countryside?
Small town, large city, or countryside?
Yes.
Ready?
Wait.
Yes. Okay.
3, 2, 1. Yes.
Large
Yeah, because large cities have fast food restaurants, and Hannah can't do without those.
Yeah, exactly, that makes sense.
That's what was your reasoning?
Hannah isn't a country girl at all. She's not about that life.
Yeah, she grew up.
Yeah,
She's been grown in the metropolis all her life.
She need Wi-Fi and all these things.
Yeah,
These young people.
that's true. Internet connection to do her animation and all these.
Okay. What am I passionate about?
Done.
Wait! 3, 2, 1. Sure.
Ooh, wow, that's a good answer.
Yeah, why did you? I bet you're having a. Why didn't I think of that moment?
I did art.
That's right, but
Okay.
This comes a close second, right?
No.
fine.
What's
2,
the score?
2, 1, 2, 1. Right? 2, 1.
Yeah, I
got
got
more than one.
No, which more than one? No, you only have 1 point. That's the only
I got
answer you
large
got.
city.
No, mommy has 3, 1.
3,
No,
2.
3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2.
Yes.
It's 3, 2.
Yes.
Okay.
Watch these people, you know, man.
Okay. Am I an optimistic, realistic, or pessimistic person?
Okay. I have my answer.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Realistic. Optimistic.
Optimistic.
Yeah.
Yeah, we love laugh more than Hannah.
Okay. 4, 4th. What's this?
Fourth.
I don't even know.
Fourth,
I'm not keeping
I have
count
4
anymore.
points. You keep your
4.
points, I'll keep my points.
Alright.
But
I've
he's
gone 4.
okay. What's my favorite meal of the day? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
Wow, that's a tough one.
That's an easy one.
You're supposed to pick one.
I made my choice. Ready?
3, 2, 1. She got it right.
Lunch.
Yes.
Hannah, which
That was a lucky guess.
which time of day you don't like eat food?
Which,
I said to pick one.
Okay.
yeah, if you were to
Okay.
choose, then yeah, I always have to pick more lunchtime.
If I could,
Want to see with me?
Listen, this my name fall off of that chair. Chair kinda wobbly.
Ready?
okay. If I could travel, where would I go? To the past or to the future?
Okay. Based on the Hannah questions, the famous Hannah questions that we're always getting. Yeah, I think I have it too.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Yes.
Yeah.
Future.
Okay.
Yeah, Hannah doesn't live in the past. Hannah's like, let's move on from there. So I forget my point.
Yeah.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
6-3.
Okay, we'll be keeping it when
6-3.
we edit the video.
Who are my 2 best friends? My 2 best friends.
Okay.
In real life?
Yes.
What do you mean in real life?
Wow. Your friends been watching enough. People who think they're your best friends may be offended.
No.
by this.
No. They
Well,
won't.
I think I have it right. I think.
You're not marking for spelling.
Well, it would be.
Alright, let's
Well,
go.
as long as it's pronounced right, I think.
Let's go.
Right?
Let's go.
Ready?
Yeah.
But no, wait. I'm not talking. I'm talking about my best friend, not just people who I talk to while they're in my friends group, like my best friends.
Okay.
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 3.
Your best friends.
Yes.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Who you are?
Killian Rihanna. I didn't know you spell her name right.
I'm right.
You spelled Rihanna right, I think.
Yeah, but you didn't spell Kaylee right.
I'm right.
Yes. No, you're not right. She's right. Okay.
What's the spell Kelly?
No.
Oh.
Okay. Pizza or hamburger?
What?
Done.
Which one do I prefer?
Easy. Think.
No. I think
3,
I'm right.
2, 1. You got it.
Pizza,
really?
babe.
Yes.
Yes.
It's close though.
How?
Burger?
No.
Waffle?
No.
Really?
No.
Well, when she said waffle,
Yeah, but I thought that's what you meant when you said burger.
Whopper is a burger, but still.
I wasn't thinking about it like that. Okay,
Wait.
pizza.
It
That
is
was the original
pizza.
answer. Pizza.
Okay. But
Okay.
me do love burgers. We always order burgers.
I mean, you can order pizza and burger at the same place. When I was thinking burger, I meant like
Well,
beef
yes,
burger,
that's
I wanted
true.
beef, not chicken.
Yeah, I figured. I mean, a chicken burger is usually a burger.
Yeah.
Of course, it's a burger.
I mean, okay. Anime or Disney movies?
Okay.
What's the score, by the way?
I don't know.
We don't
None
know.
of us
Let's
know.
do-
Wait, don't show it yet. 3, 2, 1.
That's
Yes.
easy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Obsessed. If there were obsessed in the dictionary, you'd find Hannah's picture beside it. Oh, but obsessed is probably in the dictionary, right?
It is in the
He's in the
dictionary.
dictionary. I'm pretty sure.
Okay, next question. Which celebrity do I look up to?
Oh, I know this. Oh, Paul doesn't know this. What is name spell again? No, I think I have to spell wrong.
Doesn't matter how it's spelled.
Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you knew it?
Oh, you both got it right. Yay!
I underestimate you.
You spelled it right.
I underestimate
That's an A.
you.
Supposed to be an A.
Is that
That's
it?
right.
Yes,
Okay.
B-A.
Zendaya?
Zendaya. What does a perfect weekend look like to me?
Wow, how can you describe this? What? It's like one word or a sentence or how you want
Sentence,
this?
like just put random stuff that I would want to do during that weekend. Random.
Okay.
I did it. Good girl, like a good boy. A good girl.
Are you writing?
Yes.
Yes, he's right.
You like it?
I'm done.
What does a best weekend look like? What was the question again?
What does the perfect
Perfect weekend.
weekend
The
look
perfect
like
weekend?
to me?
Oh, my marker is running out.
Oh.
Yeah, okay.
And C.
Yeah, ready.
3, 2, 1.
Don't peek, Paul.
That answer, Tina answer can't write.
My answer must write.
They're the same thing.
There's no fast,
Fast
there.
food.
Where's
Yeah, she
fast
put
food?
food all inclusive.
That's a hotel. All this is a hotel.
Yes,
but
but
Yeah,
she
that's
said also says food.
Yours have beach, movies, fast food.
Said
Oh.
fast food, beach, movies,
Yeah.
water, pool,
That's
beach,
a lot
waterside,
more.
food, all inclusive.
What's the
Yeah,
point?
both
Yeah,
of them are
movies,
right.
movies.
we
both
cannot both write. We have
Yes.
different answers.
No, but this is
So okay, maybe you can give like a point for
There's
each
one more.
for each one.
no, both of you are right.
See?
Okay,
So-
that's fine by me.
No,
That's
no, no,
fine
no,
by
Yes,
me.
both of you are right.
Bye,
Both of
mommy.
them are right. Both of them are right. Next question.
Wait, oh, you're shaking your head.
What?
Don't argue with the judge.
See, I outnumbered in a guy, so I really can't bother him.
What
You
is?
outnumbered with the two pitting them sit down for your lap over there. The lands are
It's alright,
keeping
it's
your
alright.
side.
Okay. What is my dream?
Dream job.
Yes, dream job.
Okay, I have two answers for just to be clear.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yes, both of you got it right.
What's it have?
I have digital artist / anime.
No, so she can't get it right. She have a different response.
No!
Oh, animator is
That's just a
A
specific.
digital artist is an animation comes under being a digital artist.
Yes, but it's not the same thing.
Yes, it is, and she put digital artist as well.
You see, rigged.
It's not rigged.
This is rigged.
Okay, next.
You're such. You're such a sore
This is
loser.
rigged, guys.
No, it's okay. Next question. It's not rigged. Soda or juice? Soda or juice? Do I prefer soda or juice?
Oh, it's easy.
3, 2, 1. Yes, soda.
Okay.
Last question.
10 marks.
No.
Yeah. Let's wager all. Let's put it all in.
Is the
Let's
fir-
wager
the
So
it
was
all.
it both of you get it right?
10 points.
No,
big,
so this is
big.
the first person
let's
who
do it big.
answers. The first person who writes it and turns over the paper wins.
No,
Yes.
but the answer for right.
Yeah. So when you finish right, just turn over quickly. You're not waiting on 3, 2, 1.
So, but you're right. The right answer trumps the fastest answer. Right.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Last question. What am I planning? Wait, don't start writing until I tell you.
I'm just getting my pen ready.
What?
I'm going on my marks.
What am I planning to get when tests are over? I didn't say it right. No, I did not say it
That's what you're
right.
planning to get.
Yes. What am I planning? Okay. What am I planning to buy when tests are over? Right.
You have money?
Just
What is she planning to buy?
write it.
Okay.
No, sir, this. I'm not confident about the answer yet.
Anyway, must turn over paper fast.
Look.
No, both of you are wrong. What have I been bugging you about for the past month now?
No, you can't change the answer.
No, you cannot change the answer. No, you can't. You can't change the answer.
Ah, that's
Wow.
true. But tell me
The answer is art supplies.
I know. I should have known this because you and I are supposed to go shopping for the art supplies.
It's jumping. Mommy.
That's it. So I'm assuming that my mother won. Most likely.
It's rigged, guys. Rigged.
It's not rigged.
It was not rigged. You just did not know the answers to the questions. You did good though.
You did good.
real good.
It's rigged.
You did real good. You answered most of the questions.
Correctly. Yeah. That's good. That's good. Good job.
By way of announcement, guys, our community tab is now open, so
Woohoo! Yay!
you can post things on YouTube, like flyers and stuff like that, so that you can interact with us through that medium. So we're going to have
We should have some posted today, which you guys will see before
Yeah.
this video goes up.
right. So you can look out for those, and we're going to have invitations for you to ask questions. So I think everybody wants to know how we met.
Yeah, everybody. Well, not everybody, but we've had at least.
I think everybody, just not everybody says it, but everybody wants to know how we met. So we did Hannah today, and other people have questions for Hannah, like what she has thought about being a big sister and all these stuff. So yeah, we'll be giving different invitations for you guys to interact with us through that medium.
Yeah, to tell us what kind of videos you want to see, because we want to put out what you guys would like.
Alright, so who you want to see go next? This guy or that guy? Yeah, let us know who you want to see next. And it was rigged. It was rigged.
It was not.
Tina
was
knows
not
Sana for longer than me, and that's why
No, these were like
You're blaming
recent.
me for that?
that's why she get answered.
But she asked questions about her current likes and dislikes there.
Okay.
Just admit that you lost.
Alright. See you guys Saturday, and as usual, big up from me and my host. So nobody's going to say my host.
Oh, you wanted us to chime in there?
Yeah.
Okay, we
You
can
are
all
from
chime
your
in.
book.
Girl.
Alright guys, what am I saying?
See you
Okay.
Saturday.
So see you Saturday, and as usual, big up from me.
And everybody.
Boy guys, come on. The green is like how long now? So see you on Saturday guys. And as usual, big up from me.
See the Antona?
Oh. See you Saturday guys, and as usual, big up from me and
My house. Hannah.
Sorry.
gosh, like bye.
Bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Do a thumbnail
This again?
picture.
Sure.
Can do a thumbnail picture.
Alright. See you on reset. See you on Saturday guys, and as usual, big up from me and
My house.
take care.